Forget about Grok AI for a second. In this video, I'm going to show you guys a free AI tool you can generate unlimited AI images and videos completely free. Now, just in case you love Grok AI so much and you can't do without it, let me go ahead and show you guys where you can buy cheap Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. So if you go over to Grok official website, you will see that Super Grok costs $30. But if I take you back here on this platform, people are selling Super Grok accounts for a fraction of the price. So if you love Grok AI, you love generating AI videos and images using Grok AI, then go ahead and check out this platform. I'm going to leave the link in the video description down below. Now, don't forget to go ahead and leave a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video just like this. Alright, so I want you to take a look at one of the videos I generate with this free and unlimited AI tool.
Wait, before you pay for another AI tool, you need to see this first.
Alright guys, so the platform I'm talking about is called Queen AI. And all you need to do is to go over to Google and type queen.ai and click on the first link. So once you tap on it, this is basically where it's going to take you. So to sign up, just come over here and click on Try Queen Studio. Once you click on it, it's going to load up and take you right here. So this is where you can either log into the platform if you already have an account, but you don't already have an account, go ahead and click on sign up, enter your basic information here and click on sign up, or you can just come down here and continue with Google or continue with GitHub. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with Google, and it's going to load up and take me straight right here. So once you log in, just come over here and click on this plus icon, and over here this is where you can upload an attachment. It could be a file, image, video, or audio. So you can upload it and use it as reference. You can do deep research here, create image, create video. You can also use this platform to create web apps. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to focus on creating images and videos. So first of all, let's go ahead and create an image. I'm going to go ahead and click on create image. All you need to do is to come over here, and this is where you can select the aspect ratio. This is where you can paste in the prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt. Next, I'm going to come over here and submit it. So you can see the AI is now generating the image. So let's go ahead and wait for the final result. All right, so you can see this is the image the AI has generated for us. This is where you can like it, you can dislike it, and you can publish to the community. And also this is where you can download if you love it. So if I go ahead and click on download here, you can see it started downloading. It has been downloaded successful. Now let's go to the video generation. All you need to do is to come back here on the home page, click on the plus icon. Now go ahead and select create video, and then you go ahead and paste in your prompt here. Select your aspect ratio here. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my prompt here. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on it, and you can see the video is now generating. Remember, this is completely free. You don't need to pay for the AI tool. So let's go ahead and wait for the final result. All right guys, so the video has been generated. As you can see, it's right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on download, and you can see the video is now downloaded. All right, so let's go ahead and watch the video.
Wait, before you pay for another AI tool, you need to see this first.
All right guys, so you can see the quality of the video. It came out very clean and professional, and this is completely free, and you can generate unlimited AI videos on the platform. Now, I discovered another method on this platform that a lot of people don't know it exists. So let me go ahead and show you. I'm going to come over here and click on the plus icon to open another chat. Just come over here, click on fast here, and all you need to do is to go ahead and click on thinking. Now, once you click on thinking, anytime you give the AI a prompt, it has to think before giving you responses, and that will actually give you a better result. So after selecting the thinking mode, come over here and paste in your prompt. Now I'm going to paste this prompt to generate an image, and then we are going to turn that same image to video. So I'm just going to go ahead, click here to send, and you can see the AI is now thinking instead of giving me results instantly. And this is basically going to give me the best results out of the prompt. So you can see it is still thinking, and boom, it now starts generating. So you can see this is the image it gives us. So for you to go ahead and animate this image, all you need to do is to come down here and click on create a video. You can also edit the image here however you want it. So for example, if I click on edit, this is where you can tell the AI to add or remove something in the image. For example, I'm going to type make the woman look sad. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on send. Let's see what it is going to give us back. So it's going to go ahead and generate another image, but this time it's going to add exactly what we asked it to do. So let's wait for the result. All right, so it has finished generating and you can see the result here. The woman looks sad right now. So if we want to turn this image to video, we are going to go ahead and click on create video. This is basically where we can describe what we want to happen in the video. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and paste in the prompts right here to animate the image. All right, so this is my prompt here, including the dialogue. So all I'm going to do is to scroll down here and click on send, and now the AI is turning the image into a video. So let's go ahead and wait for the AI to finish generating the video. All right guys, so the video is now generated. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit on download, and you can see it downloading right here. Let's wait for it to complete. So let's go ahead and watch the video.
Baby, forgive me, you know I love you.
All right, so let's go ahead and create another video. I'm going to go ahead and paste in a new prompt, and remember we are selecting the thinking mode so that we can get the best result. Now since we are creating a video, we are going to click on this plus icon and click on create video. Right after that, I'm going to go ahead and click on send prompt, and you can see the video is now generating. So let's go ahead and wait for the AI to complete generating our video. All right, so the video has been generated successful, as you can see right here. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead, hit on download. So it has been downloaded. Let's go ahead and watch the video on full screen. All right guys, so you can see that with this AI tool you can generate unlimited AI videos, unlimited AI images. You can animate your images to videos here completely free. So you don't need to worry about Grok AI, Cadence 2.0 if you don't have the money for them. So thanks for watching. If you do appreciate me making this video, please take a second to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out each time I drop another video. Also join my free AI community. I'll leave the link in the video description down below. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.